Founded in 1930 with over 180,000 machines sold worldwide. Welcome to Romi. This Brazilian headquartered company exports machines to all continents with 13 manufacturing units worldwide, including 2 in Germany. There are many subsidiaries around the world, and we have the pleasure of having one right here in the UK in Rugby. Incredibly, Romi can build 2,900 machines a year and create 50,000 tonnes of castings from their own foundry, which gives them full traceability and control of their machine tools, thereby making Romi renowned for reliability and quality. So what machines do Romi supply? They have a large range of CNC machines, including lathes from their C-Series Teach lathe, right up to their GL range with subspindle and Y-axis. If you didn't know already, another market Romi excel in is injection moulding, with a range that boasts some of the world's most energy efficient and reliable models. And you can only expect things to get better from Romi, as they invest a considerable percentage of their annual net earnings into research and development. At the heart of this successful company is the belief that Romi make robust machines built to last.
Romi are OEM, so we have full control about our process, about our product, and of course about our quality, which is very important, of course. On the top of this, we have a full synergy among our subsidiaries here in Europe, so we can share all the knowledge we have. We can also share our service team if it's necessary, and all the spares that we carry here in our warehouse. We have all the structure and background for a big company, so it helps us to implement all we need here. So we know very well our product, we know very well how we should serve our customers. We know all the process about the machine, so it helps us a lot. I think the first thing is the confidence we give, because we not only sell a machine. When we sell something, actually we are looking for some partnership here, so where we can give the support to the customer and the peace of mind that he is having a very robust machine, very reliable machine, and he can focus on his business and forget about the machine because it works.